In the Chinese zodiac, which animal appears first in the 12-year cycle? Dragon, rat, tiger, rabbit. The correct answer is rat. What term describes a woman who carries and gives birth to a baby for another person or couple? Guardian, surrogate, donor, midwife. The correct answer is surrogate. What are the smallest blood vessels in the human body called? Veins, capillaries, arteries, venules. The correct answer is capillaries. What famous stone helped scholars decipher Egyptian hieroglyphics? Moonstone, Rosetta Stone, touchstone, lodestone. The correct answer is Rosetta Stone. Which famous psychologist wrote the influential book The Interpretation of Dreams? Carl Jung, Sigmund Freud, Ivan Pavlov, Alfred Adler. The correct answer is Sigmund Freud. Which element was discovered by Marie Curie? Uranium, radium, helium, mercury. The correct answer is radium. In Greek mythology, the god of love whose name begins with the letter E is called what? Eros, Erebus, Enceladus, Eryx. The correct answer is Eros. In Roman numerals, what value does the letter D represent? 100, 500, 1000, 50. The correct answer is 500. Which planet in our solar system is known to have the largest number of volcanoes? Mars, Venus, Earth, Jupiter's moon Io. The correct answer is Jupiter's moon Io. What are the delicate and colorful French sandwich cookies made from almond flour called?
Éclair, madeleine, macaron, profiterole. The correct answer is macaron.
Where did Albert Einstein live before he moved to the US? Germany, Switzerland, Austria, France. The correct answer is Germany. Which famous animal-narrated novel by Anna Sewell tells its story from a horse's perspective? War Horse, Black Beauty, National Velvet, Sea Biscuit. The correct answer is Black Beauty. Which US state is nicknamed the Last Frontier? Alaska, Montana, Texas, Oregon. The correct answer is Alaska. What Viking-era alcoholic drink is made by fermenting honey with water? Ale, mead, cider, sake. The correct answer is mead. What is the name of a traditional Japanese poem consisting of 3 lines with a 5-7-5 syllable pattern? Sonnet, limerick, haiku, ballad. The correct answer is haiku.